Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2021 Chevy Malibu. Very nice car, come from down in the Sioux Falls area. You see it does got one little rock chip there, a couple right there, but front bumper otherwise looks good. Maybe a few other small little rock chips. About 60,000 miles on it. A few little light scratches. It looks pretty good for a black car. They usually show the scratches up really well. Power seat, 60,463 on it. Has remote start, heated seats. Of course, has your auto start, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, lane departure, collision alert. So an LT, equipped pretty nice. There's your back seat. Got floor mats and owner's manual. One little something fell on right there. Got a little ding there. Backup camera, backup sensors. Small little scratch right there. Got good tread on the tires. And being a 21 with 60,000 miles, has our 7-year, 112,000 mile drivetrain warranty included, which is 7 years from when it went into production or when the odometer gets to 112,000 miles. So this is probably good to 2027, 2028. So if you want to buy a car with peace of mind, nice condition, give us a call, 605-692-7010.